Today, as India and Brazil come together to exchange ideas and inspire change, Dosti reflects more than just the friendship between individuals. It symbolizes the growing partnership between our nation. It reminds us that true progress happens when we stand side by side, learning from one another and working toward a common purpose. And may this session remind us that friendship is not just a sentiment, it is a powerful force for innovation, collaboration, and hope. So let us celebrate this dosti that unites heart and minds and carries the promise of a stronger and brighter future. So everyone, it's time to welcome on the stage the chief guest of this session and a very special purpose that person that we have over here. His Excellency Mr. Kenneth Felix Hashinskidha Nobrika. Everyone, can we have a huge round of applause for the ambassador of Brazil to India and Bhutan? I would thank you so much, sir, for all your lovely presence and making this session even more special. And now I would also like to call upon Sri A.P. Das Joshi, who is the Secretary, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Government of India. Everyone, a huge round of applause for the gentleman. May I please also invite Mr. Mukesh Kumar Meshram, who is IAS Principal Secretary, Department of Animal Husbandry, Government of Uttar Pradesh. A huge round of applause for Mr. Mukesh Kumar Meshram. May I also invite Mr. Devendra Kumar Pandey, IAS Special Secretary, Department of Animal Husbandry, Government of Uttar Pradesh. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us over here. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to begin with this session named as Dosti. So, this is developing opportunities and strengthening technological innovations, bridging continents into Brazil session on indigenous cattle breed and improvement. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to begin with this session. And to inaugurate and to move forward with this, I would like to request Mr. Navneet Ravikar, the Group Chairman, and to please take the mic, and we'll start with the inauguration.
Namaskar, everybody. Excellency, welcome to this momentous day. Secretary Saab, Namaskar and welcome to the program. Secretary Animal Husbandry, Government of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Meshram जी का स्वागत है. Additional Secretary श्री देवेंद्र पांडे जी का भी हम स्वागत करते हैं. To start with, I would want at least Mr. Marcos, Dr. Marcos, to be on the stage, please, because he represents a very important institution called Embrapa. He needs to be there on this day. He has to be part of the August gathering. Along with that, I would want. So on this day, on this hour, we have gathered together to celebrate not only this day, but also to understand that it is Brazil-India Friendship Day that we are celebrating. The relationship that we started 2.5 years back, wherein we struggled, we worked together, we accomplished a lot of things. For that, Fazenda Floresta, I would want Doctor to please come onto the stage, please. So I welcome all my friends from Brazil to be part of Dr. And Excellency is also there. We would want to understand why and what we are doing and what is it that we want to accomplish. So we as an institution, Leads Connect, and as Leads Agri-Genetics, we as a huge umbrella that we are under, which is BL Agro Industries, we represent a full agri-value chain, and what we feel is that the relationship that we could garner, we could establish with Brazil in last 2.5, 3 years has been very rewarding, and we have been able to achieve something which I believe is phenomenal for not only for us, but we are going to change. It's a very strong word, but we will try to change the ecosystem of the animal husbandry and most probably agriculture in times to come in India. That is why we have gathered today to not only celebrate our friendship but also our accomplishments, our hard work. Dr. Roberta has given her all to this project. Same Rogerio is here. We have worked with Fazenda Floresta for last 2.5 years, and we have been able to achieve what we have. And we were glad to say that we have Mr. Gomes as well, whom we have known since last 2-3 years. A very gentleman and very hearty fellow. We always seek his advice when we talk about our relationship, and we understand that his contribution to our relationship and to our understanding is also commendable. And not only his, but also Leonardo's, who could not make it from IBCC. What we would want to say is that Dr. Marcos and Embrapa has been kind enough to pay attention to what we are doing, and has been able to give us an understanding that we would have a tri-party agreement with them very soon in terms of not only germplasm but also in terms of genomics and genetics, and to develop something out of the technology that already has been developed in Brazil on the basis of deer. And I am happy to share that our agreement is underway, and most probably it would be one of the most a very dear moment for us, and also for the private industry in India, because I believe Embrapa has the backing of Embrapa would make this whole project more viable and more extensive, because this project is not only about us, it's about the community, it's about the farmers that we have, and we believe that this collaboration would help us go from state to state, and from here we can have a south-south partnership and move forward from here to other nations as well. So carrying on from this, I would want and I would request Excellency, because I have heard that Excellency has a prior commitment and he has been kind enough to come down and give us his time. So I would want His Excellency to please come down and give his keynote address.
So, good afternoon. First, let me greet high authorities with whom I'm sharing this session today. Embrapa representatives, Fazenda Floresta representatives, thank you for coming. Of course, I'm in the presence of eminent specialists from both countries, so I will just make a few comments about the strong political foundations that underlie Brazil and India relations in general, but in the field of agriculture in particular. When I talk about foundations, I will just refer to one very recent fact. I could refer to a number of facts of our long-standing relationship, but I'm just mentioning a very important event, a little bit more than 2 months ago, which was the memorable state visit by Honorable Prime Minister Modi to Brazil. And I was there in the meeting. It was a very substantive meeting where clearly our two leaders re-energized their strategic partnership, which is basically founded in one important bond, in one golden thread, which is trust, mutual trust, which we have developed throughout more than 70 years of relations. So based on this mutual trust, our leaders charted the course for our relations for the next 10 years. and in 5 pillars. I'm not going to go through all the pillars, but I will just mention that agriculture and food security is one of these pillars. And we in the embassy, we have been working as weavers. We have been weaving day after day our relations in the field, in many fields, including in the field of agriculture. Thanks to my team, of course. No boss can concretize results without a good team, a fantastic team like our agriculture attaché, Angelo, Mauricio, the head of our trade promotion department, Councillor Wagner, and the head of our science and technology department, Tassiano Zimmerman. So with this team and other, also with Indian officers, we are pushing forward a very important agenda in agriculture. But let me just mention that we have here a master weaver, which I think basically started this relations in terms of business and with a touch of human bonds with India, which is of course Dr. Elso, which is our honorary consul in Minas Gerais. I think he brings not only a very strong thread when weaving our relations, because it combines business with culture, and I think this is something which is really valuable and makes all the difference. But just concluding my brief remarks, just let me point out that in the last 2 years and 1 month, we have received more than 80 missions, business missions from Brazil, and many of them from the agricultural sector, and frequently headed by Brazilian authorities, be it federal authorities or state authorities. And on the agenda, technology, not only market access, but technology is a high priority. And I'm very pleased that this event, and this week in particular, marks how Brazil and India are getting even more closer in technological cooperation in the field of agriculture. We have a mission of representatives of flagship institutions from Brazil in the field of agriculture innovation, carrying out a very dense work program this week, I think, and also, of course, the Brazilian companies that today are here to sign memorandum of understanding and giving a very concrete business content to our relations. So I will stop here. Thank you very much for inviting me, and we look forward to knowing more the exhibition today. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much to Mr. Kenepi Laikachin. And I must say that today finally we have heard from you, and we are looking forward for the collaboration between the two countries, India and Brazil. And listening to his words, I would say we are all set to celebrate the momentous occasion, to celebrate the collaboration and the bond between two nations. And of course, this is not just going to be the friendship between two nations, it is going to be beyond that. About working together, about making future together, and a lot more. And next, I would like to call upon, for a brief note, Mr. Mukesh Kumar Meshram, who is IAS Principal Secretary, Department of Animal Husbandry, Government of Uttar Pradesh. Everyone, please give it up for Mr. Mukesh Kumar Meshram. And soon we will be beginning with the Friendship Day celebration.
Thank you very much. Chair on the dais and all the distinguished guests present over here. Uttar Pradesh is northern province of India, having the largest population also. We also have largest population of cattle. We are the number one in terms of cattle population in India. And then in terms of milk production also, Uttar Pradesh is number one. We have certain challenges as well, which we are facing right now. And to address those challenges, I think this event and this friendship as Dosti 2025 between Brazil and India will certainly bring fruitful results in coming days. We have more than 1.3 million cattle population, which is abundant by the farmers or owners of these cattle, which we have sheltered in different shelter homes, particularly for cattle. State government has set up more than 8,000 such shelter homes, kind of. Now, if we bring certain technologies or certain improvements in terms of indigenous cattle breed improvements, obviously the reason behind stray animals or stray cattle, the foremost was unproductivity. So to some extent, if we can solve that problem through such kind of interventions, then certainly the government, the state is going to benefit out of all these experiments and all these activities. We have targeted $1 trillion economy for the state, and agriculture as well as allied sector, particularly this animal husbandry, dairy and all these allied activities are going to add values in that economy chain. I welcome our Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry and Dairy of Uttar Pradesh, who is, we are fortunate that he is also becoming the witness of this historical moment for that matter, because ultimately when BL Agro is doing this kind of agreement with Brazil, certainly UP is going to become first state to benefit out of this, and in that context the whole state government for that matter, like Honorable Minister, myself, Principal Secretary and our Special Secretary. So all these three representatives are here from the state of Uttar Pradesh. So it's a matter of great pride also for Uttar Pradesh, and certainly what I have just mentioned, that whatever we are doing in the field of animal husbandry and dairy production, so that will be through BL Agro, we will gain. Thank you very much for inviting me.
हम माननीय श्री धर्मपाल जी पशुपालन मंत्री गवर्नमेंट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश का तहे दिल से स्वागत करते हैं। उनकी जोर से तालियां पीछे हम सब जो बैठे हैं हम स्वागत करें मंत्री जी का। उन्होंने हमारे पास हमारे कहने से इस सभा की गरिमा बढ़ाने आए हैं, और हम एक बार फिर से इस सारी जो हम लोगों ने बात करी उसको एक आई वांट टू हैव अ रिकैप सो दैट सर थोड़ा सा जो लेट आए हम थोड़ी बैकग्राउंड एक दे दें। हम लीड्स एग्री जेनेटिक्स BL कामधेनु और उस BL एग्रो इंडस्ट्रीज़ के अम्ब्रेला तले जो हम इनोवेटिव काम कर रहे हैं, उस इनोवेटिव काम का आज सर हमारा कैसे बोलें बाहर आना है, शुभारंभ है। अभी तक सर हम 2 साल तक अंडर द रडार काम कर रहे थे। हम लोगों ने कोशिश जारी रखी थी हमारे पार्टनर्स के साथ, हमारे जो ब्राज़ीलियन पार्टनर्स थे उन लोगों के साथ, सबके साथ जो डिस्कशन थी वो चल रहा था सर, और हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश कर रहे थे, और हम लोगों के अथक प्रयास और हमारे पार्टनर के अथक प्रयास से, यानी कि जो हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे के साथ कोलैबोरेशन किया, उससे हमें बताते हुए खुशी होती है कि हम भारत में पहले ऐसे कंपनी है, चाहे सरकारी या प्राइवेट, जिसने ब्राज़ील से गिर गाय का जो जर्म प्लाज्म है, गिर गाय का एम्ब्रियो पहली बार इंडिया में लाने वाली पहली कंपनी हुए हैं, जिसके लिए हम चाहेंगे कि हम ये कार्य जो हमने किया है, ये कार्य था, अभी भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट है सर, बट हमारा ये मानना है कि ये बस एक चेन को जोड़ने वाला काम है सर। और अब जो उससे आगे का काम है, जिसमें हम जेनेटिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, जो हम जेनोमिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हम जो हमारी गाय का संवर्धन है सर, उस संवर्धन को कैसे बढ़ाया जाए। केवल गिर गाय ही नहीं, बाकी गाय, गंगा तीरी हुई या हमारे उत्तराखंड में और हिमाचल में भी जो गाय हैं, कैसे हम क्लाइमेट रेजिलिएंट कैटल को डेवलप करें, इस चीज़ की बात हम दोस्ती में सर करेंगे। जो दोस्ती हमारा जो डेवलपमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड स्ट्रेंथनिंग टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनोवेशन जो हमारा सेमिनार और सेशन है सर, उसमें हम उसकी बात करेंगे। साथ में हम लोग सर जो एम्ब्रापा है सर हमारा, जिसके साथ हम टाई अप कर रहे हैं, जो हमारे साथ जो जैसे हमारे यहाँ सर ICR है, वैसे ही ब्राज़ील में सर एम्ब्रापा है, वहाँ की सबसे बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है सरकारी, जो हमारे साथ मिलके इस कोलैबोरेशन को सपोर्ट दे रही है सर। ट्राइपार्टाइट एग्रीमेंट हम करेंगे, जिसमें वो हमारे साथ मिलके पशु संवर्धन में पूरे इंडिया में काम करेगी। ये बात बताते हुए मुझे हर्ष होता है कि अभी ब्राज़ील में जब ब्रिक्स हो रहा था, उस वक्त एम्ब्रापा ने ICAR के साथ एक बहुत बड़ा टाई अप किया और MOU साइन हुई थी सर। और उसके बाद अभी तुरंत हम लोगों ने जो अथक प्रयास किया, जो फेजेंदा फ्लोरेस्टा ने और एम्ब्रापा से डॉक्टर मार्कोस ने अथक प्रयास किया, उस कारण से अब जो एम्ब्रापा का जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल बेस है और टेक्नोलॉजिकल हेफ्ट है, वो सर हमारे पीछे खड़ी हो गई, जिसके कारण जो जेनोमिक्स और जेनेटिक्स में हम जो पशु संवर्धन में काम कर पाएंगे, वो अनपैरेलल्ड होगा। इंडिया में कभी भी ऐसा कोई एग्रीमेंट हुआ नहीं, कोई ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजिकल नो हाउ के साथ आया नहीं। इस तरीके की टेक्नोलॉजिकल कोलैबोरेशन जो प्राइवेट और सरकारी संस्था के बीच में हुई है, दो डिफरेंट कंट्रीज में, विच हैज बॉट Brazil and India together and brought the two continents together with the blessings of His Excellency and with the blessings of a lot of Brazilian friends, are people who have been there in the background, who have been working day and night with the blessings of people in Embrapa and all blessings of our elders. We have been able to achieve, which I believe is quite a big achievement, at least for us, and we believe that we will be blessed with a lot of technology and understanding, which will help our farmers to grow, sir, and our farmers to achieve prosperity and long establishment of food security between the two countries, which will help us establish that beyond doubt. So sir, अब इसको ख़त्म करते हुए मैं आग्रह करूंगा कि MOU साइनिंग आप लोगों की इजाज़त से, इफ़ यू अलाउ सर, MOU की साइनिंग का सेरेमनी शुरू करते हैं सर। इस MOU सेरेमनी में पहली जो MOU है वो फेजेंदा फ्लोरेस्टा और लीड्स एग्री जेनेटिक्स के बीच में है, जिसमें हम जेनेटिक्स और जेनोमिक्स की अंडरस्टैंडिंग को ब्राज़ील से अपने यहाँ लाने की बात करें। वी आर लुकिंग टू कोलैबोरेट इन दैट। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट डॉक्टर होबेर्टा टू प्लीज कम and sign the MOU, and I would request that after the signing the MOU, we will have 2 words about the technology and about what we are offering, so that, and unfortunately I have to go there because all the 3 agreements I have to sign.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are signing MOU between Leeds Agri Genetics and Fazenda Floresta, Brazil's leader in bovine genetics, dairy innovation and breed improvement, in presence of our chief guest, Mr. Shri Dharampal Singh Ji, and Embrapa, which is an apex state-owned research corporation under the Brazilian Ministry of Agriculture. We also have the witnesses right here, Adarniya Shri Dharampal Singh Ji, His Excellency Mr. Kenneth Felix Hashinskidhar Nobrika. We also have Shri A.P. Das Joshi Ji, Mr. Mukesh Kumar Meshram Ji, Mr. Devendra Kumar Pandey Ji as the witness of signing of these MOU, and of course our lovely audience. Everyone, we can see the signing of our first MOU has happened between the Leeds Agri Genetics and Fazenda Floresta. Many, many congratulations to all of us for celebrating this and signing this up. Ladies and gentlemen, this MOU is more than just a formal document. It's a symbol of trust, collaboration, and shared vision, which represents the commitment of both the parties to work together, share knowledge, and create solutions that have a lasting impact. And today's MOU is particularly special as it strengthens the bonds between India and Brazil, two nations that are united by innovation, sustainability, and a desire to transform agriculture and technology for the betterment of communities. Everyone, many, many congratulations to all of us. Many congratulations to India as well as Brazil.
आदरणीय मंत्री महोदय, जैसा कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी चाहते हैं, जैसा कि योगी जी चाहते हैं, और जो आपने हमें काम दिया, जो इंस्पिरेशन आपने दिया, उस इंस्पिरेशन को हमारी अगली पीढ़ी ने आज जैसा आप चाहते थे, आपके मन में जो किसानों के प्रति प्रेम है, आपके मन में जो एक दया थी, आप ये चाहते थे कि कैसे हिंदुस्तान का किसान, विशेष रूप से आप चाहते थे कैसे उत्तर प्रदेश का किसान ज़्यादा क्या कहते पैसे कमाए, कैसे वो रिच हो, कैसे वो सब रिसोर्सेज को अवेल कर सके। तो उसके लिए पिछले 2-3 साल से लगातार आपका सहयोग और आपका आशीर्वाद हमें मिलता रहा है। उसी के तहत ये सब क्या पहले अब तक जो मैंने बताया था उसमें तो ये बताना चाहता था कि मैंने एक तरीके से डेयरी खोली है, लेकिन अब जैसा नवीन चाहते थे कि जब आप यहाँ एज ए चीफ गेस्ट आएंगे तभी आपके कर कमलों से ये घोषणा करेंगे कि हमने भारत में एक नई टेक्निक लाने की बात की। अगर हम सुबह से अब तक की बात करें तो यहाँ जितनी भी बातें हो रही हैं सब किसानों से रिलेटेड हैं। इससे पहले इन्वायरमेंट पे बात की कि हमारी फूड सिक्योरिटी पर इन्वायरमेंट का क्या इफेक्ट है, उससे रिलेटेड बात हुई, और उसी में ये भी बात आई कि कैसे न सिर्फ कृषि से काम नहीं चलेगा, कृषि के अलावा बहुत से जो एलाइड बिजनेसेस हैं, चाहे वो मत्स्य पालन हो, चाहे गौ पालन हो, चाहे और अन्य पशुपालन हो, उन पर भी काम किया। उस कड़ी में क्योंकि माननीय धर्मपाल जी आपका और माननीय योगी जी का प्रेम गाय के प्रति जो है वो सबको सर्वविदित है, और आपके इंस्पिरेशन पे ये काम हुआ है। मैं चाहता हूँ आप सभी लोगों से माननीय मंत्री महोदय का अभिवादन करें, और ये तय जानिए कि इस प्रोग्राम के सूत्रपात में सिर्फ 2 ही लोग थे। सबसे पहले माननीय मंत्री जी गौ माता की मूर्ति मुझे भेंट करके गए थे आज से 2.5-3 साल पहले, और तभी आशीष की माँ ने आशीष को ये कहा, आपको मैंने पहले बताया, उसकी माँ ने इसे कहा कि भाई अगर मंत्री जी आज ये तुम्हारे पास उपहार के रूप में कामधेनु लाए हैं तो तुम्हें फिर कामधेनु पे काम करना चाहिए। आपका बहुत 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 धन्यवाद।
I'll do a small translation for our friends. What Shri Ghanshyam sir, our chairman, said was that a few years back, our honorable minister came to Ghanshyam sir and he gifted a Kamdhenu and said that that you should be looking at this kind of development, and with God's grace, and because his wife and our chairman sir's wife basically wished that we should get into animal husbandry and milk production, and we should take care of cows. So with his blessings, we started, and Ashish ji, our MD, actually thought about it. Or howsoever crazy the idea was, we actually worked on it, and I believe at this day, with the blessings of our mother and blessing of our minister Shri Dharampal ji, we could achieve this feat. Thank you so much, sir. I would request Dr. Roberta to just talk about 2 minutes about this MOU and what it is all about. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm very happy to be here and to talk about my history and the history of millions of Brazilians, because 100 years ago we came here and bring cattle to Brazil, and this changed our life, especially my life. And I'm very happy to be here with my partnership, Navneet, and to talk about everything, and we can do it with a cow and make the most important for me, and is the milking production, the most important food that you can do it. And thank you for everything and trusting our work there, and I'm sure that you do the best for you here. Thank you.
So trust me, she talks much more than this. Rogerio knows. Okay. So I believe we will have a session with Dr. Roberta after some time, because we have to finish the MOU, and Ambassador sir has to go. He has a commitment somewhere. So we will speed it up, and we will sign another MOU between, I think Ekintech is there. Yeah, Luan, please. So Ekintech.
So ladies and gentlemen, now we have arrived at the landmark moment of today's event. That is the signing of Memorandum of Understanding between Leads Connect and Ekintech, which is one of the Brazil's most promising agri-fintech startups. This partnership represents a fusion of innovation, expertise, and global collaboration. By combining India's dynamic market and Lead Connect's platform with Ekintech's cutting-edge agri-fintech solutions, this collaboration aims to transform agricultural practices, enhance financial solutions for farmers, and create impactful opportunities. And we are honored to have the signatories with us to formalize this partnership and share their keynote remarks, which we will be doing, listening after that. And we can see Mr. Luan Bahal, who is the Chief Compliance Officer from Ekintech on one side, and Mr. Navneet Ravikar, who is the MD Leads Connect on the other side. And we also have as witness Manniya Shri Dharampal Singh Ji, His Excellency Mr. Kenneth Felix Hashin Skida Novriha, Shri A.P. Das Joshi Ji, Mr. Mukesh Kumar, and Mr. Devendra Kumar Pandey Ji as a witness, and of course our audience is witnessing it as well. So congratulations to all of us for signing the MOU between Lead Connects and Ekin Tech. Finally, we are or have also done with this. Okay, and I also request Luan to please take over the stage.
Good afternoon. I would like to thank again Leeds Connect for this work with international cooperation, agribusiness development. I think our partnership is a step towards sustainability, towards building a more inclusive world for farmers, and I think it strengthens our relations between Brazil and India. So thanks again.
Thank you so much, Mr. Luan. And now, everyone, we have signed 2 MOUs, but the story does not end here. Following this, we will also witness the signing of an expression of interest, that is EOI, between Leeds Brand Connect and Amazonica Mundai, a pioneering Brazilian startup offering plant-based food products inspired by Amazon's rich biodiversity. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Mr. Thiago Rosalan to join us. And also I request Mr. Navneet Ravikar, who is the Director Leeds Brands Connect, to join Mr. Thiago Rosalan, who is the CEO Amazonica Mundai. Everyone, a huge round of applause for the gentleman. We have Mr. Thiago on the one side and Mr. Navneet on the other. And ladies and gentlemen, this collaboration symbolizes not just a business partnership, but a shared commitment to sustainability, innovation, and global knowledge exchange. Through this initiative, we aim to bring the richness of Amazonian biodiversity to Indian markets, fostering both awareness and access to sustainable food solutions. We are privileged to have the signatories here to formally sign the EOI, and of course, we have the witness as well, that is you lovely audience, and of course our esteemed guest on the stage. So everyone, this is the signing of expression of interest. A huge round of applause and congratulations on signing up between the Leeds Brand Connect and Amazonica Mundai. And now I would request the CEO of Amazonica Mundai, Mr. Thiago, to please take over the stage and comment on it.
Hi everyone, thank you India, thank you New Delhi for the wonderful reception, thank you the government of Brazil, thank you the government of India. It's been a pleasure for us to be here. Our company is based on using the cashew bags and transforming that on plant-based foods. And I think that both countries have good connections. And we hope to do this here in India, developing the cashew agriculture, developing the farmers, and delivering great food and great sustainability for both countries. So this is what we're here for, and you can count on us. So thank you a lot for everyone, and have a nice day. Okay, thank you.
So, just a small story. Essentially, I met Thiago in Rio during breaks, and I happened to meet him there, Excellency, and we had his offering the food that he makes, and the story that he has is amazing. And I believe that the whole understanding of Amazonica and its story will resonate with India and Indian tastes. And I believe that this collaboration can help us learn some more about plant-based food, which is essentially up and growing in India. And we believe that this collaboration will bring us closer to create this ecosystem of sustainability in India as well. Thank you. So I will take this opportunity to call Sri Devendra Pandey so to give 2 words about this collaboration, please.
So thank you very much, Honorable Minister, sir, Honorable His Excellency from Brazil, Secretary Food Processing, our Principal Secretary, and dignitaries on the dais, along with the Brazilian delegate and ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to be here at the time of the signing of the MOU with the Brazil. Really, agriculture sector only cannot flourish without having animal husbandry side by side. Because agriculture and the allied activities can only, as Chairman of BL Agro Group have said, this collaboration can only double the income of the farmers. Uttar Pradesh, it was earlier thought about Uttar Pradesh, that is a Bimaru state. Now it is growing up like anything, and it is a boosting economy towards $1 trillion economy. So we need to develop our germplasm, and the basic needs of the animal husbandry is to develop our breeds so that the productivity, normal productivity in the Uttar Pradesh and India is only 2,500 liters per lactation, whereas in the Brazil they have brought these cows gear from India to Brazil, and they have developed as the Grilando, and now their productivity is more than 5,000 liters per hectare per lactation. So if we get this type of germplasm, the India and especially the Uttar Pradesh, then certainly the input cost over the cattle would be lesser and the output would be greater, so the farmers would be benefit. So ultimately I am very happy, and since time is very less, so I did not extend my speak more. So I am very much thankful to the Brazilian government and Leads Connect. Only when public and private partnership will take place, all the entrepreneurs, farmers and government will go by side, then only any state, any country can flourish. So in order to that few new technologies, new germplasm and new breeds are coming in, and we can develop our state in the field of animal husbandry in order to achieve $1 trillion economy as the vision of Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Prime Minister. Thank you very much. Thank you Brazil, and thank you Leads. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Devendra sir. Before I call Sri Joshi ji, our respected Secretary of MOFPI, I would want Dr. Marcos to give 2 words about this collaboration and some facts that I think would break some myths here regarding gear and regarding the technology that there is, because there is too much of things going on. We talk a lot about the things, but there are some scientific facts that needs to be talked about. I think just 5 minutes, Dr. Marcos. You have your session, you will get your fix there, but 5 minutes is something that, because I would want Minister sir and Excellency already knows, our MOFPI Secretary sir to listen to this, and also Secretary Animal Husbandry, Government of Uttar Pradesh. Please, Dr. Marcos, please.
Well, thank you. I would like to greet all the authorities here attending this event, and it's important to remember that recently our president, the president of Embrapa, has signed an MOU with the Indian government. And since then, she's giving all the support for any kind of collaboration between Indian and Brazilian institutions. So this is the reason I'm here, and I'm trying to develop some projects with this beautiful country and the research institutions. So it's important to remember that Brazil is the 3rd largest milk producers in the world. And we just got there because we have an important breed called Gyr. 80% of the Brazilian milk comes from Girolando, which is a crossbreed between Gyr and Holstein. So it's very important to remember that we just got there in this position because India allowed us to have Gyr. Thank you, India, forever.
Thank you so much, Dr. Marcos. We will request our Secretary, MFI Shri Joshi ji, to give his blessings and 2 words about this collaboration. Thank you.
Honorable Minister, sir, Excellency, dignitaries on dais and off the dais. Let me first of all congratulate both BL Agro and Brazilian side for a wonderful work they are doing. In fact, as we all know that India is the largest producer of milk and we produce almost 24% of world's milk. But with this collaboration, if the productivity has told that from 2,500 liter to 5,000 liter, if it happens, just imagine where we will be. So it's a big opportunity, and food processing, this technology, innovation and all this opportunity, unless we harness this, I think we'll remain where we are. So I look forward to a very, very intense and deep collaboration between Brazil and India. And we already have, as Excellency was saying, in last around 2 years, 83 delegations coming to India. That's something unprecedented. So thank you for inviting me and giving me this opportunity. And let me tell you that from Government of India side, we are committed to a very, very healthy, very, very robust and very, very progressive food processing sector. And whatever can be done from our side, I can assure you that Government of India will be there. And once again, let me thank all of you and welcome me. Let me welcome all of you for this WFI. Still, I think there are 1 day is left. So I will request all of you to visit the pavilions and exhibition and enjoy. Thank you so much.
अब समय आ गया है कि हम अपने मुख्य अतिथि श्री धर्मपाल जी सर, माननीय श्री धर्मपाल सर को स्वागत करते हैं और उनसे आग्रह करते हैं कि वो 2 शब्द कहें।
धन्यवाद। इस कार्यक्रम में ब्राज़ील से पधारे सभी प्रतिनिधियों का मैं स्वागत करता हूं। मंच पर हमारे प्रमुख सचिव मुकेश मेश्राम जी, विशेष सचिव देवेंद्र पांडे जी और निदेशक पशुपालन, उपस्थित सभी सभागार में सम्मानित महानुभाव। सबसे पहले मैं इस कार्यक्रम को BL एग्रो के चेयरमैन श्री घनश्याम खंडेलवाल जी को बधाई देता हूँ। बधाई मैं इसलिए देता हूँ, इन्होंने जो काम किया है उत्तर प्रदेश में, ये उत्तर प्रदेश का नहीं, देश का पहला कार्यक्रम है। इसके लिए और बधाई। मित्रों, देश के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय मोदी जी ने कहा किसान की आय दोगुनी हो। किसान की आय दोगुनी मात्र खेती से ही नहीं होगी, किसान की दोगुनी आय पशुपालन से ही होगी। मित्रों, कुछ जीवन के महत्वपूर्ण पार्ट हैं। अन्न, नंबर 1 अन्न, नंबर 2 पशु पक्षी, नंबर 3 जीव और जंतु, नंबर 4 जल और जीवन। हमारा जीवन इन बिंदुओं पर आधारित है। देश और उत्तर प्रदेश दूध में नंबर 1 है। आज जो एमओयू साइन हुए हैं, मैं ब्राज़ील के पधारे सभी प्रतिनिधियों को धन्यवाद देता हूं कि भारत, उत्तर प्रदेश और ब्राज़ील की आज एमओयू साइन करके दोस्ती पक्की हो गई। इस पक्की दोस्ती में सच में जो भ्रूण प्रत्यारोपण होगा, इसमें नस्ल सुधार होगी। देसी गाय का दूध अमृत है। हमारी देसी गाय दूध कम देती है, इसलिए किसान वो आर्थिक दृष्टि से मजबूत नहीं रहता। घनश्याम जी को मैं पुनः बधाई दूंगा। योगी सरकार की ओर से मैं आप सभी का और विशेषकर घनश्याम जी का बहुत स्वागत करता हूं कि हमारी देसी नस्ल की गायों में भ्रूण प्रत्यारोपण होकर नस्ल सुधार होगी और दूध देसी गाय का अमृत जैसा ही रहेगा। इसके लिए मैं इनको और बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। वैसे देश में माननीय मोदी जी और उत्तर प्रदेश में मुख्यमंत्री योगी जी, आप ब्राजील से पधारे हैं। राजनीति का ये स्वर्ण युग है। देश में और उत्तर प्रदेश में राजनीति का ये स्वर्ण युग है। देश के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी कर्मयोगी हैं और उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी जन्मयोगी हैं। एक कर्मयोगी और एक जन्मयोगी निश्चित रूप से देश का और उत्तर प्रदेश का आर्थिक दृष्टि से संपन्नता में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। हम भारत जल्दी विकसित राष्ट्र की श्रेणी में जा रहा है, जगत गुरु की श्रेणी में जा रहा है। इस अवसर पर मैं आप सबको बधाई देकर हम $1 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी उत्तर प्रदेश शीघ्र पूरी करने की ओर आकर्षित है। आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई। थैंक यू सो मच।
जोरदार तालियों से कृपया मंत्री जी का मैं चेयरमैन सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, श्री घनश्याम खंडेलवाल जी से, कृपया आके मंत्री जी को अंग वस्त्रम से
मैं हमारे आदरणीय मंत्री जी श्री धर्मपाल सिंह जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि अपना कीमती समय निकालकर आप यहाँ पर आए, हमारे इस स्पेशल ओकेजन को इवन और भी ज़्यादा स्पेशल बनाया। एंड आज इंडिया और ब्राज़ील की दोस्ती की आप बहुत ही बड़े विटनेस बने हैं। एंड वी कैन सी कि यहाँ पर MOU साइन हुए हैं। इंडिया और ब्राज़ील के बीच में एक खूबसूरत सा रिलेशनशिप बना है। एंड आपकी जो यहाँ सहयोग है, बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं हम सब उसी के लिए। तो थैंक यू सो मच आदरणीय श्री धर्मपाल सिंह जी यहाँ पर आने के लिए। एंड नेक्स्ट मैं बोलना चाहूँगी,
we will felicitate Sri Kenneth sir for coming here and giving his time. Please. We will now felicitate Sri Joshi sir. अब हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि Chairman sir, take vote of thanks.
आदरणीय मंत्री महोदय, माननीय धर्मपाल जी, जो हमारे बरेली ज़िले के बहुत ही लोकप्रिय हैं और बहुत सादगी की प्रतिमूर्ति हैं, और हमारे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट पर एक ही बार, बल्कि हमने तो एक गलती भी की कि हम इनाग्रेशन में पहले ही नाम बिना आपसे पूछे हमने इनाग्रेशन पे आप नाम धो दिया। तो हमें आदरणीय ने सही भी करेक्ट भी किया कि पहले पूछ तो लेते, लेकिन फिर भी आपने हमारा मान रखा, सम्मान रखा। आदरणीय, हम कैसे आपका ये उपकार चुका पाएंगे वो हमें उसका पता नहीं। हमारे यहाँ पे पहुँचे हिज एक्सलेंसी, आपने भी हमें हिंदुस्तान के प्रति इतना प्यार जताया। जो प्रमुख सचिव महोदय, आपने हमें यहाँ आकर जो गवर्नमेंट किया, या जो हमारे अंदर हिम्मत टूट रही थी, ये भी बताना चाहेंगे कि ये बड़ा रिस्की सा प्रोजेक्ट भी कई बार लगता है कि हम उस पर करोड़ों रुपए खर्च कर रहे हैं, कहीं अगर रिजल्ट मनमाफिक नहीं आया तो क्या होगा। लेकिन हमें लगा कि आप ऐसी स्थिति में हमें आपका सहयोग भी मिलेगा और आप हमें ढांढस भी बनाते रहेंगे। अब बच्चों के अंदर ये फीलिंग रहेगी कि उनके पीछे कोई है। जैसे माननीय धर्मपाल जी हर वक्त कहते हैं कि तुम कोई परेशान मत हो, मैं तुम्हारे पीछे हर हाल में हूँ। तो मेरे और जितने भी डॉक्टर साहब आए हैं जो हमें टेक्नोलॉजी दे रहे हैं, माननीय प्रमुख सचिव साहब ने अभी मुझे ये बताया कि भाई हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, हमने तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट पढ़ लिया। विशेष संयुक्त सचिव साहब ने भी जो है अभी हमें आश्वासन दिया कि हर हाल में हम आपके साथ हैं। तो हम BL अग्रो परिवार की ओर से मैं आप सभी का हृदय से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, हृदय से मैं आपका आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ। आपने इतने शॉर्ट पीरियड में मेरे रिक्वेस्ट करने पर और इतनी दूर से, यानी आप 250 किलोमीटर का सफ़र तय करके सिर्फ इस कार्यक्रम के लिए आए, ये आपके अंदर गाय के प्रति जो प्रेम है उसको भी दर्शाता है। हमारी भाजपा में तो वास्तव में जो उच्च स्तर पे जितने भी लोग हैं उन सभी का स्नेह गाय के प्रति लाजवाब है। ये भी आपके संज्ञान डालता हूँ, चाहे वो सुनील बंसल जी हो, चाहे वो राजेश जी हो, कोई भी हो, सभी का गाय के प्रति बहुत लगाव है। और माननीय योगी जी ने स्वयं क्या कहते हैं कहा कि जैसे ही तुम्हारा ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है फाइनल होगा, जब इसमें प्रोडक्ट आएगा तो वो स्वयं उसका उद्घाटन करने के लिए आएंगे। तो मैं माननीय योगी जी का भी धन्यवाद अदा करना चाहूँगा। माननीय मंत्री महोदय के माध्यम से सब जो लोग यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं, दूर दूर से आए हैं, उन सब का BL अग्रो की ओर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
ये सेशन के बाद अब एक नया सेशन शुरू करेंगे। उससे पहले थैंक यू सो मच सर, एंड एसेंशली आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एक्सीलेंसी एंड सर कि अगर आप 2 मिनट के लिए हमारे स्टॉल पे 2 मिनट के लिए ही चलें तो हम लोग दिखा पाएंगे। और WFI में जोशी साहब ने ऐसा काम किया है इस बार, उनके लिए भी एक ज़ोरदार तालियां बननी चाहिए। बिकॉज आपको बताइए अभी तक का, आज तक का सबसे द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव WFI दैट देयर इज, वी हैव इन ट्रिमेंडस अटेंडेंस, lot of announcements and lot of investment that's coming in, and essentially there are a lot of seminars works. So it's not only about stalls that have been put up, but about the seminars and conferences that there is, and the seamless effort which has taken for us to do everything. Thank you so much sir for helping us and bringing all this up together sir. Thank you so much. So this is also to inform that we have signed some 1 lakh crore MOU in this WFI as informed by sir. So let's clap for the WFI.